Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. Yeah, we are discussing the multiple choice questions, very important and standard multiple choice questions which are likely to be asked, most likely to be asked, and the standard is very high. You can just check it out for your AMV examination, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examinations, that is conducted definitely in the next year through TSPSC as well as APPSC. Yes. First question. In which of the following systems of lubrication a scoop is made in the lower part of the connecting rod and the oil is stored in the oil trough? So, this particular system is the splash system. As I said, there are various lubricating oil systems are there. So, this particular thing is observed in the splash system. What is observed? A scoop is made in the lower part of the connecting rod and the oil is stored in the oil trough. So, we have discussed about petrol system, pressure system, dry sump system, where they are used. If you want, watch my videos again and again and try to locate the correct answers, because all these bits are very misleading. You think that you have done very well, probably it is not the case, right? So, unless you are sure, so you are not going to get very good marks. So, this is a competitive examination. So, you have to be very careful for each and every mark. Okay. So, let us continue. Next question. The lubrication system used in modern car engines. So, this is a modern car engines use what is known as the pressure system. It is not petrol system. We have seen where petrol system is used. We will see other systems also where they are used. But here in modern cars, the lubrication system used is pressure system. So, let us mark it. C. Next question. Which of the following is correct about splash system? So, see the bit. So, how it is, how misleading it is. So, all the terms are just interchanged. So, it is used in two-stroke engines and is the cheapest method. It is used in modern car engines and is the costliest method. It was used in early motorcycles and is the cheapest method. It is used in racing cars engines and is the costliest method. Unless otherwise you have not studied the subject thoroughly, it is very difficult to locate or identify the correct answer. So, here the correct thing about splash system is that it was used in early motor car cycles and that was the cheapest system. So, your answer is yes. Answer is C, early motorcycles and is the cheapest method. Let us mark the answer. Next question. The oil pressure in the pressure system of lubrication is approximately. So, today, so in these bits, we are discussing the lubrication oils and definitely he cannot go out of these bits. So, I have made approximately 50 to 60 bits on only lubricating oils itself. So, definitely you are going to get questions out of these only, mostly 99.99%, unless otherwise something different happens. Okay. So, it was used in early motorcycles and is the cheapest method. That was the answer for the earlier one. So, now here 226 as I told. So, you have to be very that means these statistical values or these numerical values you must have some idea, because you are going to work as a assistant motor vehicle inspector. So, you must know about the pressures, temperatures. So, what all things are these things, you must be aware of all these things, what is the oil pressure, etc., tire pressure, etc., yes or no. So, here the oil pressure in the pressure system is approximately 200 to 400 kilopascals. 200 to 400 kilopascals. So, please by heart these values, there is no alternative. Next, in which of the following system of lubrication a waning light comes when the oil pressure becomes lower than 0.3 bar? So, that is which system? This is very important system. This is your pressure system again, once again, this is the pressure system. Let us mark the answer. Yes. The lubrication system used in racing car engines such as sports cars and jeeps. So, what is this system? This is your dry sump system. Okay, this is again once again a very important bit, boys. So, please try to locate the correct answer for car engines, modern car engines and also racing car engines, etc. And we have seen about yesterday about petrol system where it was used. So, here the lubrication system used in racing car engines such as sports cars and jeeps is the dry sump system. Dry sump system. Let us mark the answer. So once again my request is that please go through the bits again and again, so that you will get a complete confidence how to locate the correct bits, correct answers. In a lubrication system, it is used to avoid the situations where there is no oil at the place where oil pump is installed. So this particular lubrication system which I am referring to is, what is this system? This again, once again, dry sump system. So differentiate, we have discussed many bits, yes or no? So what are the bits? Okay, answers for answers. What are the bits for which the answer is dry sump system, pressure system, petrol system, etc. Identify them and try to remember them. So here the answer is dry sump system. Yes, the oil pressure maintained in the dry sump system for main and big end bearings. So there are two types of bearings, big end bearing, main bearing. So in these two bearings, what is the approximately the oil pressure maintained in dry sump system for main and big end bearings? This is approximately about 450 kilopascals. 450 kilopascals. Once again I told you, so when such type of bits, please locate an answer which is medium in between the extreme answers, lowest answers and highest answer. Sometimes it may not be the answer, but here the answer is 450 kilopascals, 230, 450 kilopascals, right? Of course in this bit it is the least one, but normally the middle value, okay, medium value will be the answers. Such type of bits, don't choose the, except this bit, don't choose the extreme values, highest values or lowest values. Next, the range of pressure maintained for timing gates and camshaft bearings. Camshaft bearings in dry sump system. So this is approximately 50 to 100 kilopascals. Your answer is B. Next question, an oil strainer is attached at the, so see the bit again once again. So it is in between the storage tank and oil pump, he said, an outlet of oil pump, inlet of oil pump. So this is normally, oil strainer is always attached at the inlet of the oil pump, so that any dirt or dust, etc., they can be removed through the strainer. So it is always, for example, if you see centrifugal pumps also, it is always maintained at the inlet of the suction pipe. Similarly here also, always a strainer is located or attached at the inlet of the any pump. It can be a centrifugal pump. So here in this case it is oil pump. So it is inlet of the oil pump. So your answer is inlet of the oil pump. Let us mark the answer. Let us mark the answer. So inlet of the oil pump. Okay boys. So again, once again, my request is that if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share among your groups. So I have opened one Telegram channel also. I will be shortly posting some material which is very, very useful for your all the upcoming examinations, APPSC, TSPSC, AE, AEEE also. So we will be starting some important subject. So please subscribe my channel and give me support, so that I can do much more very, very useful and important videos for your all examinations point of view or competitive examination point of view. Once again, wish you all the best.